guys, and welcome back to the video. This is Bear here. So today we will be making a modern bathroom. I have 4 rooms yet, but I've chosen to start with a modern bathroom. So over here we have a 3x3 square. I will be adding a front wall, but yep, that's what we're gonna do for today's video. Hope you guys are looking forward to today's video.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. I will guide you home. Letting love pass by, something I've done so many times. Trying to keep my head high while everybody's dancing. 'Cause I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only.
So guys, the modern bathroom is done. I really enjoyed making this. I don't know what it is. I never make modern builds, but I really should start. Next week I'll do the bedroom because only this week we can only do 1 room a week. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and goodbye.
Need a friend, no matter